But in everything that people ship, right, physical product or software, hardware, software, electronics, whatever, you're always having to manage scope, right? And user experience is a funny thing, right? It's hard to quantify. I mean, there's some things that are probably, like if you're a consumer site and you have shopping, you try to figure out how many people are abandoning the shopping cart, try to figure out what's going on, but you at least have some quantified information as to how many people are abandoning the shopping cart as a percentage of whatever at whatever point. But oftentimes you don't have quantified information necessarily, and then you have somebody saying, "Oh, the user experience isn't what it needs to be, so I don't want to ship this. We're not ready to ship it." But then somebody else is saying it needs to go, right? Because we committed to the business XYZ. So have you encountered that, and how have you kind of, balanced or walked through those kinds of discussions or constraints?
Design is never done; it's due. So at some point you have to, you just have to put something out there, or you never will. Yeah, that I can relate to that. It's also interesting the way you can see customers and users evolve in the way that they use your products, right? So there's a constant evolution. It's not that you are releasing something and that's done and people are going to use it and that's it. People are going to start thinking, oh, you've given me the ability to do this new thing didn't realize I could do, and now that I can do it, I have these other ideas about how I can use this. And that then eventually comes back to you, hopefully, right? In some way you're able to get that information from users, and then you evolve your product to then expand, in that direction. That's kind of an interesting tangent to the ongoing nature of it, or the never done nature.